Hello friends, in this video I am showing how to change LED TV backlight. I removed the backlight already. This is a new LED I bought from China. It's a 6-volt EMC chip. So each LED is 6 volt. The code for this LED is a 3030. This is the size of LED is 3 mm. I already removed some the glass cover. The supply voltage is 60 volt. See, some LED I removed and replaced a new one. In this video I am just showing one LED I am changing because already it's some of the LED I changed. This is a demo. See, the some LED I removed. I set the supply 6 volt, then check the each LED before I removing the LED. It's all damaged, that's why I removed. Now I am just change that new LED. Here old LED I removed here. This is the demo. I just apply the solder paste here to clean the old removed LED pad. I heat up in the bottom. The solder will melt. There is some extra flux, so I just clean using the cleaning solution. Should be need to clean every time. Apply the flux. Now I take the new LED. Place it in the position. Need to check the polarity also because the LED have wrongly you place, it will not work. So I just check the polarity. I heat up in the bottom. It's not dry properly because it's in the bottom area there is metal aluminum, so it will not cook dry. It will take little bit. Now I just place again properly because maybe the solder joints will touch each other. It will damage the power supply. Some excess lead I remove. Now properly is heated up that LED. Should be near to the place properly because the heat transferring also need to be good. Otherwise the LED will going to damage quickly. It's working but it will going to damage. I just check my power supply 6 volt. Checking each LED. In this way I change all 20 LED. Now I am going to test the LED chip. Give the correct polarity. Individually testing each LED. It's working. It's very bright. I can't turn on long time because it's very high power. It will damage the eye also. I check the all strip LED individually. It's all working. Every time you replace an LED, you need to make sure this lamp voltage. It's very important. When you place wrong LED there, it will damage because the voltage is serious. After I replacing all LED, this is the cheap way to fixing the LED light because each LED lamp is very low price. When you replacing the old strip, it will also cheap, but it will little bit costly compared to this method. I tested all LED. Now the LED fitting is finished. I wanted to fix it back in the LED strip in the TV. Then turn it on to test the LED TV. Now I just fitted back my LED. Now display is coming. Backlight is 100% working. This TV have panel have cracked. So before the LED TV have no backlight. Now blue screen also coming. So did you like the video? Please subscribe my channel. I will add more video. Thank you.